This is the ZOMCHI Safety Razor in rose gold. Isn't she cute? She's a cutie, okay? She's a cute swoopsie poopsie, all right? So, I'm not saying it's something that you need. I'm not saying that. I'm saying it's something that you want. And in 2025, we're going to be getting things that we want alongside things that we need. So we need a razor because we like to shave. And we want something that's cute when we're shaving. This is her, okay? So I would say off the rip, my favorite thing about this product is the weight, okay? The weight alone lets me know that I'm in for some work. And when I say work, I mean that this is something that I'm going to have to upkeep, maintain so that it can last a while. I don't want something that I have to keep throwing out. I don't want to use something 2 times and then that's enough. I'm done with the disposable stuff. I want something that's long lasting. This is awesome because it upgrades your routine as far as shaving goes. A lot of people are on waxing. We're still on shaving, girl. It's okay. It comes with 2 boxes of 5 razors, and you do have to screw this off. At first, I was so confused, okay? I was so confused, but I'm here to help you. You're supposed to screw this, right? When it comes, sharp blade. When it comes, the blade is sharp, but when it comes, it's already a little loose, and you'll be like, why is it loose? It's loose because you're literally supposed to keep turning it and turning it until this part comes up. You can take it apart, and then you put the blade on there, put it back together, and then you swirl it, twirl it, whirl it back together, okay? The blade is very sharp because they're fresh blades. That's what we want. Every single time, we want to be able to be in control of our blade, and we want to be able to have a precise, clean shave every single time. I promise you, this does just that. So if you're in the market for a fabulous razor, nice, portable, heavy-duty weight, has a whole stand, like, come on, has a stand that comes with it. It's super, super cute. Comes with disposable, refillable type of razors, okay? Upgrade your skincare routine, upgrade your shaving routine, and get this ZOMCHI Safety Razor, okay?